Sun has risen on another day and we are on the way to Europa Park, second day at the park, on park. We gather it's going to be extremely busy today because it's some kind of public holiday. Luckily we did everything that we wanted yesterday basically. So our plan is to basically hit maybe 1 or 2 rides and all the shows basically, and hopefully that'll be an intelligent way to plan the day. I'll probably nip in there, the fan shop, and buy some fans. My joke. That is my joke.
What the actual fuck, dude?
Dans une piscine affichant à peine 8 mètres de diamètre et 2,70 mètres de profondeur, chair de poule et montée d'adrénaline garantie lors de notre nouveau spectacle, Swim, Twist and Splash.
We're just watching the diving with a very large ladder. That's your cue.
I've got a step ladder. My real ladder left when I was a child.
What was funny, the fourth time?
Yeah, when he first told it, you've got to believe us, we all erupted in laughter.
I had to roll back. Is that fucking funny?
Unless you were saying it though. Unless you were actually lying and saying you laughed. Right, it wasn't a lie, but yeah.
Some were even saying joke on the holiday.
The Europa Park site, like one of my Instagram photos.
Oh really? Wow.
It's of me and you, you know.
Nice.
That's obviously why they like
Probably recognised us.
Yeah. My step Europa, I've got a step Europa Park. My real Europa Park left me when I was a kid.
Don't get it.
A little bit of humble, a little bit of cautious. Somewhere between like Rocky and Cosby's for the game. No, y'all can't copy. Bad to pass the torch and put on my town. Trust me, on my INDEPENDENT shit hustling. Chasing dreams since I was 14 with the 4-track busting. Halfway across that city with the question. Labels out here, now they can't tell me nothing. We give that to the people, spread it across the country. Labels out here, now they can't tell me nothing. We give it to the people, spread it across the country. Here we go back, this is our moment. Tonight is the night, we'll fight till it's over. So we put our hands up like the ceiling can't hold us.
That's exactly how I dance when I'm on fire.
shit, I'm on fire.
She might have the biggest balls. Yeah.
Yeah, really, ideally what you want is to take the fucking thing up with her, set it up.
It's climbing up.
Oh yeah, because it's up by the tree.
It's going to look like she's jumping up the tree for it. Hopefully not too tricky.
I mean, yeah. Oh, that's terrifying. Literally fuck that in everywhere. Thank you! Do it again.
I've got a step ladder.
Sorry, no, I meant
My
the
full
full.
oh. Is it?
Oh wow, double. 2 for the price of 1. I don't understand why this didn't have a bigger queue.
Have you had a falling out, have you?
Yeah.
Jesus in all his glory.
On the video, to cut from us just walking around to us just fucking sitting on beds.
Je vous ai dit que c'était sympa ce truc.
Yeah, that's your hand. Come on,
Sur un bouquin, c'est parfait. Je crois que je vais essayer ça. Non, mais je suis sur un petit peu.
Oh. Off, yeah, that's.
That was gay. I've been lost on you. That's sexy.
Yeah,
Which I
this,
hate.
At me like a cat.
Wow. This is weird.
this is perverted.
This is really
This is a kids show, this is.
I really hope she's of age.
Shaking dust.
If she is not of age, this is dirty.
This is illegal.
I mean, it's dirty anyway.
Oh wow. So that's discriminating against overweight people.
That will knock her self-confidence. She's on a diet at the moment.
Yeah, she's bulimic.
That was mental.
Wow.
Yeah, that got a really big laugh, mate. Well done.
The good thing about that last one was it's basically the same joke as the first one.
Yeah.
I take it he's meant to be playing some bongos or something, but
Bongo drums, yeah.
instead he's just kind of doing nothing.
Yeah.
He's actually the orchestrator.
As I've said about these two places in America, the first one you can you go there and you can study how to put other people's lips on your face, kissing me. But there's this other one where you can go and you can number citrus fruits, Orange County.
There's a place in America as well where
Like,
you
here we go.
to get clothes, but the problem with all their clothes is they've got Mississippi.
I don't even get it. What?
Mississippi.
They're missing.
Oh, God.
You probably could go there and study 80% of the rainbow characters.
That's good. I like that. I like that. That's good. Bet you do. Why does that not surprise me? Yeah, I mean, it'd be horrible if someone started rocking it side to side.
What stops the ducks by swimming in
The thing is, it would be awful if we think this is really funny, then we sort of derail it, go into the water, lose everything, aka everything,
AKA stepladder.
gain nothing.
AKA Orange County. AKA Mississippi.
They probably stopped it because we were
disabled.
rocking the boat.
Yeah.
No, I'm kidding.
I think they made a TV show about it, didn't they?
You can study horse's hair in Maine.
Oh, he's got one.
Oh,
finally.
fantastic.
That was
Anyway, enough of this
possibly
horsing
the
around.
best one.
this is awful, but I love it already.
Is it?
Yeah, it's awful. It's like it's terrible. Yeah, brilliant. Basically, there's a place where you can go. It's a beauty therapy college, right? Obviously, it's birds only and that. They do all their massages. Wearing nothing but pants and heels. Massive shoes tits.
Oh, I hear that's right next to the college where you can only go if you haven't had sex in Virginia.
Awful.
Oh.
He was around back.
Of course, there's the American place where you can go to learn to the university where you go to learn to brush your teeth. Fluoride.
So bad.
Oh.
So good.
Well, hold on, that's better than some.
Yeah, no, I rate that.
Fucking glass.
Yeah,
It's
correct.
a 2-for-1 deal.
Might just border out, yeah, 2 for 1.
Yeah, 2-for-1. Cheeky.
Wer wird der Beste dieser Sache? Ihr dürft nun am großen Turnier teilnehmen.
Can you zoom in on this little kid in disgust? Oh wow, he really clocked you.
He's still looking at it.
He
He is still looking. Yeah, he's still looking, yeah.
The floor just hit, but you missed it.
What?
The floor just
The Black Knight rises!
Oh, yes! 3 on 3, sorry, yeah, you're right. I'm laughing. I love it. Makes me get to work so hard.
So what we've been doing today is doing all of the shows. Yesterday we did basically mainly rides, and today we did basically mainly shows. And sorry, it seems like some weird guy's following us and is looking directly at the camera. So we just got out of the night show and sorry mate, did you want to book it? Okay. So yeah, we've just been watching the night show, which was, I really enjoyed it actually. Really like the shield and sword action. Yeah, I think the highlight has been the ice show, ice skating rink. We've also seen a midget, or rude. We've also seen a dwarf smoke and blow bubbles, which was weird. Oh, we saw some flamenco dancers as well, which was all right.
Not as good as the ice one.
No, the ice one was by far the best.
Yeah, and then we saw some man-on-man action with it.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Actually, there was
Incredible.
some extremely muscular men lifting each other on like one finger and whatnot. It was incredible.
That ab muscle, so.
On a 1-4.
Do you know what he's doing?
Yeah. Push-ups. Loads of don't normally do push-ups with my fingers bent.
Do you not?
And then turn to show everyone else standing.
Or are they laying on the grass?
Whoa.
Actually, yeah. Correct.
Well, I am. You're just
I'm
hovering.
Like gravity.
levitating, I think is the pronunciation in German.
Defying gravity. Probably the wrong lyrics, but also the only Whitman
Yeah,
song.
yeah, I don't know where they got that reputation from.
Very good. Very clever.
Right, good.
Okay, so this is split into halls as well, like.
Really?
Yeah, so you got hall 1, 2 and 3.
It's like a fucking labyrinth, these German casinos. Basically, they segregate each hall, so like slots one, sports another. Mental. What did you say? Repeat what you just said.
Incorrect.
You didn't say that.
Never said it.
We've asked Gossie to leave.
Pathetic. And I said, it wouldn't be this stag do if you didn't all just fuck off to let me finish a drink.
What is that drink?
Coca-Cola.
Oh, and like vodka or something.
Nope.
Oh.
No. Just Coca-Cola.
Worth drinking then.
Correct. I have lost €20. I'll fucking make the most of the free beverages. I've
Was
paid,
it- was
I've
it-
paid €20 for an apple juice
Yeah.
and fucking Coca-Cola.
I love how the default apple juice. Can I have an apple juice? Yeah.
No.
But it's not.
It was, can I have an apple juice? No, don't do apple juice. Okay, comes back. Apple juice, cool.
Fizzy.
No,
They only
it's
basically
still-
do fizzy, it's
still-
lift. Oh, we actually got it for you.
Yeah. Correct. Fact. Yeah. So good. Never getting sleep. Make me laugh. Might as well be sharing a bed with the Gruffalo. And I'm the little mouse. I'm like Bart Simpson with the Shelbyville people. Bart bought an Eliza. Go past his house. And he's looking out the window. The deep bulging eyes. That's me in death now. He's a fucking legend though. I'll let him have his snore. He deserves it. It's one of those things, I'll probably miss it tomorrow when I'm in my own bed. I wonder if room 8 have any spare beds. Ooh.
slightly disconcerting that my brother-in-law is possessed by a demon.
I think Nathan laughing's more scary from the toilet.
Did you know I'm filming this?
Huh?
Do you know I'm filming this?
No.
Like, definitely.
That's obviously incredible.
Correct.